So I'm Trevor Smith, I'm workshop manager for Alltruck PLC. Day-to-day basis, I keep the workshops running, productive, and ultimately giving our customers a great service experience.
When did you join Alltruck?
I joined Alltruck in 2008, so yeah, 12 years ago.
You've been working in the transport industry.
I've been in the industry for 25 years now.
And what did you do before Alltruck?
So before Alltruck, I started as an apprenticeship for a small coach company. From there, I then moved on to a big hire company before going into a dealership and eventually joining Alltruck.
What roles was that in?
So I started Alltruck as a mobile technician, then workshop foreman, public sector fleet engineer, then a fleet controller, and now workshop manager.
And how did you get into the industry?
Started as an apprenticeship. So left school, went and done the MVQ3 with MTech, which is School of Motoring at the time. And yeah, progressed from there.
And what are your thoughts on the industry?
My thoughts on the industry, it's the backbone of all industries really, because in one way or another, all industries rely on transport. For bringing parts in, sending out goods, one way or another, all industries rely on transport.
What's one thing about the industry you wish people who wanted it knew about?
It never stops. This is an industry that is running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In all other industries, transport is needed with it, and that's what a lot of people need to realise.
And what do you think is one of the biggest challenges that faces?
At the moment, environmental. Certainly with emissions and trying to keep the greener zones inside cities, that is making it a real challenge. And I just don't think the technology is moving as quick as the times.
And what makes you proud to work in the industry?
Just to be part of the industry, it's such a fast-paced, advancing industry, constantly learning, and the vital importance that we do.